Welcome to the brand new 2025 Cadillac XT5 Sport in Midnight Sky Metallic. This SUV is powered by a 3.6-liter V6, bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the XT5, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and adjustable and folding mirrors, electronic parking brake, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, 8-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, shifter audio and touchscreen navigation controls can be found here in the center console, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the XT5, starting off with the 20-inch wheels paired up with Michelin Primacy Tour tires. Moving on, we have paint-matched door handles, paint-matched mirrors with LED turn signals, monochromatic Cadillac badges on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, Cadillac badge in the center of the grille, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped and has keyless entry, chrome trim along the bottom of the doors, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around, roof rails are installed. At the back of the vehicle, we have clear taillights, XT5 all-wheel drive Cadillac and 400 badging can all be found here on the hatch, and the twin chrome-tipped exhaust. Heading back inside the XT5, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible in a 60-40 split, allowing plenty of access to your trunk. Privacy liner is installed. Cup holders come down here in the middle. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the SUV, and here in the center console we have 2 USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2025 Cadillac XT5 Sport. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.